Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome back to Prince Chakras, the channel dedicated to guiding you on your journey to spiritual and personal growth. Today we delve into a topic that not only aligns with the energy within us, but also resonates with the very essence of our existence. We're exploring the art of persistence, a force that intertwines with the chakras, creating a harmonious dance of energy and manifestation. But before we embark on this transformative exploration, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and join our community of like-minded individuals dedicated to unlocking the power within. And hit that bell icon so you never miss an enlightening episode. Are you tired of feeling like your desires are just out of reach? Do you ever wonder why some people seem to effortlessly manifest their dreams while others struggle? The answer lies in persistence. Persistence is the key to unlocking the power of manifestation and bringing your desires into reality. It's all about staying committed and never giving up, no matter what obstacles you may face. So how can you cultivate persistence? First, set clear and specific goals. Define exactly what it is you want to manifest. Write it down and visualize it in detail. Next, create a plan of action. Break your goal down into smaller, manageable steps. This will make it easier to stay motivated and persevere. Remember to stay positive. Negative thoughts and self-doubt can sabotage your manifestation efforts. Instead, focus on the possibilities and believe that your desires are within reach. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals. Seek out a supportive community or join a manifestation group. Having others who understand and share your goals can provide encouragement and accountability. Celebrate your successes along the way. Recognize and appreciate the progress you make, no matter how small. This will fuel your persistence and keep you motivated. But also embrace failure as feedback. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's a stepping stone. Learn from your setbacks, adjust your course, and keep moving forward. Each failure is a lesson that propels you closer to your desires. Patience is the silent ally of persistence. Understand that the journey of manifestation is a marathon, not a sprint. Trust the process and allow things to unfold in divine timing. And last, adopt a growth mindset. A growth mindset sees challenges as opportunities to learn and grow. Embrace challenges with curiosity and see them as a necessary part of your journey toward manifestation. So the persist framework in action is P. Passionate vision. Begin with a crystal clear vision of your desire. Let it be fueled by passion and excitement. Your vision is the North Star guiding you through the darkest nights. E. Energy alignment. Align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the frequency of your desire. Positive energy attracts positive outcomes. Visualization, affirmations, and meditation can be powerful tools here. R. Resilience. Resilience is your ability to bounce back stronger after facing challenges. It's the muscle that grows stronger with every setback. Remember, it's not about avoiding challenges, but facing them head-on. S. Specific goals. Break down your desire into specific, measurable goals. This not only makes your journey more manageable, but also provides a roadmap, allowing you to celebrate small victories along the way. Next is I. Inspired action. Take intentional and inspired action. Each action should be a reflection of your passion and commitment. Ask yourself, what can I do today that aligns with my vision? C. Steadfast belief. Belief is the magic wand that turns dreams into reality. Cultivate an unshakable belief in your ability to manifest your desires. Banish doubt and replace it with unwavering faith. And T. Time commitment. Understand that manifestation is a journey, not a destination. Commit to the process for the long haul. Trust that the universe is working with you, and be patient. As we bring this journey of persistence and manifestation to a close, remember that you are the architect of your reality. The power to manifest your desires lies within you, and persistence is the key that unlocks that power. In the realm of Prince Chakras, we not only explore the spiritual dimensions, but also empower ourselves to bring those ethereal energies into our everyday lives. Your chakras are the channels through which your intentions flow, and persistence is the force that keeps those channels open. As you embark on your journey of manifestation, may your visions be vivid, your energy be aligned, and your persistence be unyielding. You are a creator, a being of infinite potential, and your dreams are the raw material from which you sculpt your reality. If this video has touched your spirit, if it has resonated with the energy of your desires, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Join our community, and let's continue supporting each other on this beautiful journey of self-discovery and manifestation. And until next time, persist with purpose, manifest with love, and may the universe conspire to bring your deepest desires into vibrant existence.